Hello friends, my name is Shikhar and I would be the instructor for this course module. I have total 12 years of IT industry experience and had been the part of various MNCs and global projects like AT&T Bell South US based project, and I had been there for 3 years as a Linux administrator, and also I got an opportunity to work for global Johnson & Johnson project as a consultant for HP UX and Linux administrator. My primary skill is Linux and secondary is HP UX, AIX and AWS, Amazon Web Services. So on the basis of my technical skills and many years of IT industry experience, I have designed this course module, and believe me, it would be worth to go through each lecture of this module to understand Linux administration and advanced level of troubleshooting. I have created so many labs in the course modules based on IT industry experience. So who is the target students? Any graduate student who is willing to gain knowledge in Linux administrator, and also those who are already in IT field and they want to get some knowledge on advanced level of troubleshooting, they can also join this course module. So what they will learn at the end of this course, that I will explain in course content of this module. So what is the prerequisite for this course? Any graduate in any stream, they can join the course. Basic computer knowledge, basic English understanding, no prior Linux experience is required. You will be guided step by step from the beginning and gradually makes you comfortable in understanding Linux administration. This is a complete module for Linux administrator, and after the completion of this course, you can easily apply for L1, L2 levels of Linux administration jobs. Primarily, this course modules focusing on Linux administration and various labs for advanced level of Linux booting troubleshooting to build your confidence. So what is the course content? So I have started with introduction and history of Unix and Linux administration, introduction to Unix, history, what is Linux, history of Linux. Then in the next section, I have given an idea of user administration. So in this module, creation of users, creation of groups, understanding the field of password file, understanding password aging, understanding sudo file, password aging policy using change command. So all these tasks, which is basically on user administration, we have discussed in this module. Manage Linux password expiration and aging using change command. And the next module is permission in Red Hat Linux. This is one of the best and important section of this course module. So in this module, we have discussed basic file permission, user-based permission groups, permission types, change of permission, ownerships, special permissions, set UID, set GUID, sticky bit, ACL, etc. And many labs to demonstrate the permission from real IT industry environment. In the next session, we have discussed about disk partitioning and file system creations, understanding the disk layout, creating the partition, creating file systems using ext3, ext4, XFS, mounting, unmounting, entry in FSTab. And this is the most important section of this course module, that is logical volume manager administration. So LVM architecture overview, components, physical volumes, logical volumes, volume groups, type of logical volumes, linear, striping, mirror, and we have a 3-4 labs on LVM in this course module. So after going through the labs of this Linux LVM administration, you can understand the logical volume manager. And there is one more section I have included in this course module. This is how to find the HBA details and storage connectivity and scan a new LAN disk on the Red Hat Linux physical servers. So how the FC cards are connected and how the disks are coming via the FCs, basic idea about storage and multipathing also. Networking configuration. In RHEL 7, they have introduced new sets of commands for managing the network interfaces. So this is also one of the good lectures in the course module. So here you can understand how to check the status of Ethernet, add, configure the new Ethernet, activating group network services. And this is the most important of content of this course module. I have created this course module on the basis of my many years of experience. So in this we have created so many labs. If you will see, this module is completely on lab. Initial 2 lectures I have given step by step understanding of Linux booting process, overview of Red Hat Linux 7 and their features. Then you can see all our labs, basic system recovery, if your init RAM/FS file system is missing, grub related all the issues, master boot record missing, critical files are missing, mount directory is missing, incorrect entries in FS tab, understanding different systemd targets, new commands. And the next slide is how to understand booting your system in rescue mode in RHEL 7, emergency mode in RHEL 7, troubleshooting mode in RHEL 7, how you will be resetting your root password using installation disks, using your rd.brag, and repairing disk and file system errors on RHEL 7. So this is complete module for a student who is really willing to understand and to gain knowledge on Red Hat Linux administration. So that's all for this module. Hope you will join this course and will learn new things. Thanks.